Right now we trade with AI automated bots. I already said that if you comment in my videos, anything, you get a chance to win free capital. And make sure you join the link in my bio for free classes on how to trade with the automated bots. And we are making a withdrawal right now. You can see my Binance has 271. So I'll just copy my address. We are withdrawing from RunQuilly. Nothing can beat RunQuilly. It gives you free bots, and you can go search it in your browser, download the link, join the classes and learn on how to trade with AI automated bots. So we are making a withdrawal of let's say 140. Just to confirm that everything is working out, so that people don't say it is only depositing and you can't withdraw. Then you come and click on withdraw. I'm holding a lot of cash here. I'll click my address, enter my address for Binance, or you can use any other address with your preferred account. That can be Binance, Bybit, OKX, or any other account. So you just come and let's enter 140 USDTs just for some tutorials. If you want, say an amount that we can withdraw, 10,000, 1,000, any amount we can withdraw to Binance. But we don't withdraw large amounts to Binance because we don't trade in Binance. We use it just to buy our assets. And if you want to deposit, just come to deposit. You click USDTs, then you continue, you enter amount. Let's say 5,000. We make a lot. You continue, then you copy the address, you go to Binance, then you withdraw to that address. After that, just where you copied your address, scroll down and paste that address, that screenshot from Binance. So we wait for our withdrawal to be approved, then we show it here, right here. I did a poll on Telegram. You can go and check that on how many people have made withdrawal, and the vote was fair and square, and almost 2,000 people who voted have made more than 10 withdrawals from RunQuilly. So RunQuilly is the best. Nothing can beat RunQuilly. Just make sure you start with $200 plus or any amount, and follow my guidance and make good profit. So let's wait. So as you can see, my withdrawal has been funded to Binance. You can see here processing. Let me refresh. Complete 138. My balance is now 409. Remember, there is $2 for the draw. Let's see transaction history and see. Let me check. There we go. You can see it has been approved, and some minutes ago, still broadcasting has been everything completing in a few. So this is how you withdraw. Kill that propaganda, kill that negative energy, and make sure you are making profits in RunQuilly and you are becoming a full-time trader. If you have anything, any concern, make sure you chat me. I'm always online. Link is in bio. Join the classes and start earning with crypto trading.